Hi everybody. Hey, what we're going to do today is make a little storage rack area out of scrap wood that I had left over from my siding project that I did out back of the house. So sit back, enjoy for the next couple minutes, and find out what happens. So hopefully you enjoyed today's little flick. Pretty easy to do, like I said in the beginning, just out of scrap odds and ends, and it worked out fine. So if you liked the video, please do what the following scrap picture in the end says. Take